Hi everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Best UP26M. This hood happens to be a 30-inch wide hood. This is an under cabinet hood. And I just want to give you some helpful hints. If by chance the knobs would break, how to get them out, or if the light bulb burns out, how you can get them out. And we're going to start with the switch. It's the light switch and fan switch. If by chance this knob would break, we do sell a service part. It's an SV08578 service part. The service part comes with both knobs and a little Allen wrench key. On the knob, up around the perimeter of the knob, there's a little hole. If you stick the Allen wrench inside the hole, you can loosen the knob up and the knob will come out. If you take a look at this knob has a little hole. Once you tighten that set screw inside there, it tightens up against the switch post. So it's as easy as that to remove them. Light bulbs. To get light bulbs out, sometimes light bulbs can be difficult. They do make what we call a suction cup tool. The suction cup tool's got a little handle on. If you put the suction cup and stick it to the bulb, just push up a little bit, turn a quarter of a turn to the left, that bulb will come right out. If by chance you don't have a suction cup tool handy and you need to get that bulb out, you can also do this. A lot of people have duct tape laying around. If you take just a piece of duct tape, take it off the roll, and basically just kind of stick it together and stick it on the bulb, just like so. Now you got a handle, so you can press up, turn to the left, and now that bulb will pop right out as well. So these are just a couple of helpful hints. I hope it helps. Thanks.